Were you recently in a car accident or wondering how to safely get moving again? You're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through 5 gentle but effective exercises to kickstart your healing and avoid long-term complications. These movements are safe, backed by evidence and designed to restore function step by step. Let's get started. Deep diaphragmatic breathing. The purpose: it is to reduce tension, calm the nervous system, and support pain control. Start with deep diaphragmatic breathing. Lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Breathe in through your nose, letting the belly rise, not the chest. Then exhale slowly through the mouth. And then you should do this 2 to 3 minutes. It's beneficial in the early days post-accident when pain and anxiety are high. Shoulder rolls. What's the purpose? It eases tension from whiplash and reduces upper back and neck stiffness. You can do this in sitting or in standing. Roll your shoulders forward in slow circles, then reverse. Do 10 repetitions of this in each direction. This helps relieve tension in your traps and upper spine, which often get tight after sudden jolt of a collision. Seated marches. Purpose: light circulation, core activation, safe lower body engagement. Let's activate the lower body. Sit tall in a chair, then slowly lift one knee up, lower it, and repeat on the other side. Alternate legs for 10 repetitions each. This gets blood flowing without straining the joints, and it's great if you're still dealing with dizziness or balance-related issues. Pelvic tilts. Purpose: low back mobility and core engagement. For this, you're going to lie on your back and your knee is bent. The feet is flat, and then flatten your lower back into the floor by gently tucking in your pelvis. Then relax. You repeat this 10 to 15 times. Pelvic tilts are excellent for easing low back pain, which is common after rear-end collisions. Cat-cow stretch. Purpose: to mobilize the spine gently and improve postural awareness. Come to a hands on the knee position. Inhale, arch your back and lift your head. This is cow. Then exhale, round your spine. This is cat. Do this 8 to 10 repetitions, slow, controlled reps. It's a safe way to restore spinal motion and check in with your body after trauma. Every accident is different. These exercises are general and should be cleared by your healthcare provider before starting. If you experience increased pain, dizziness, or numbness, stop and consult a professional. Recovering after a car accident doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Start slow, stay consistent, and always listen to your body. If you are in Edmonton and looking for personalized care after a motor vehicle accident, come see us at Physiotherapy. We are here to help you get back to doing what you love to do, which is being pain-free.